This is known as a show. Hi everybody, Debra here, and thank you for joining me on my channel today. I'm actually going to be sharing with you my tips and tricks for downsizing, organizing, and decluttering, although that might not look like it. I'm going to give you my two tried and true methods that have worked for me in going from 3,200 square feet down to a van and now an RV. And I'm going to use this pile to demonstrate. But first, let's get started on clearing it out. As you can see, the bed is cleaned off. Here's my number one trick for downsizing, and that is to make yes, no, and maybe piles. You're going to have 3 piles, and the yes and no are pretty clear, but what do you do with that maybe pile? Well, you keep going through it until it becomes a yes and no pile, and you have no more maybes. So that is my trick, and as you can tell, I have a lot more yeses than I do maybes. The no's are already in the car, ready to go to Goodwill or wherever I can find a good home for that stuff. But I also am going to pull things out of the shed. So my piles are about to grow. And you're going to see with me how the yes, no, maybe works. And then I'm going to tell you about decluttering and organizing, because all of it has to go somewhere. So before then, though, the bed has to come out. And a lot of you have been asking me, why are you getting rid of a very good bed? And it is a very good bed. Well, I've told you I want a door on my bathroom. And then I want to do something with this back here, either an office, a studio, a smaller bed, something so that when the door is here, it's open. There's also 2 wonderful windows here, and I want to open those up. And I just picture some benches with storage underneath them, some more storage here. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But right now, the mattress has to go.